Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. In this video we're going to get into this bob. Shout out to Recool hair. We are working with Recool hair today. They are sponsoring this video, so I want to give them a big shout out for sending over this bomb wig. So this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal. This is a body wave texture. This is 180 density, so it is very full. When I first received this wig, it was in the natural color black, but I wanted to do a little color, so I added this stripe of color here. I will have the link down below to the color that I used, but I absolutely love working with this hair. So this hair has passed the test in every way possible. The hairline, flawless. The hair lifted well, the knots bleached well, everything about it, it's still soft. So I would definitely recommend this hair, even if you wanted to do a little color, or if you wanted to just wear it as is. It's a very beautiful unit. As you can see, this hair line, like, I did tweeze this, but the lace, look at that. As I'm cutting it, it disappears. I just wanted to talk you guys into this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Turn to a savage, I got fatter, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, call out that sign, and she on the powder. Nowadays, I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got long, speed got louder, car got faster. Turn to a savage, I got fatter, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, call out that sign, I'm out of powder. Nowadays, I am on my head, I got sadder.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. The tears, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's at the door.